Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to replace multiple values in Pandas data frame. This is the code snippet over here. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So let's get started. While doing data analysis, data pre-processing is one of the most crucial tasks. So while doing the data pre-processing, you can find some values that you need to replace with. For example, you need to replace some nan values with a value alpha or beta, or you need to change the values to an average of values. So in those case, you can use this function. I have written this code and I will walk you through the code and I will explain to you what each and every line of the code means. So let's start with this. Now import pandas as PD. I'd be using this for creating my pandas data frame. Now import numpy as np. Now raw data. So this one is my data dictionary over here. So this is my customized data dictionary. Now pandas.data frame. So I need to convert this data dictionary into data frame in order to apply any pandas function. So pd.data frame, then I need to pass the data dictionary, then the name of my columns. So this is the name of my column. After that, what I want to do, you can see I have given a random arbitrary values such as minus 999. I need to replace them. So I'll show you how to replace them. First, you can either, now I'm first replacing it with nan values. So how to replace it with nan values? You need to write df, that is the data frame name, then dot replace function. In the first parameter, you need to pass the value you want to replace and np.nan. So what it is going to do for each and every column, basically for each and every rows, it is going to replace this minus 99 from the complete data frame. After that, I'm doing print df dot replace minus 999 by 0. So it is going to replace all the minus 999 with 0. So let me run this for you. So you can see this was my initial data frame. Then I replaced these all these values with nan. Then I finally replaced all these values with 0. So what if I want to specifically replace from a column? So I just need to select the column. In order to do that, I need to write the column name. So if I want to do it for post test score, I will just do this, and you can see for post it only replaced the column for post test score. So it only did it for the post, means basically uh, all the other values of the data frame remained intact. The change is only been done in this post test code. Okay, if I need to permanently replace it, then I just need to write in place is equal to true, then that changes will be reflected in the final data frame. Now this was all about codes in this video. For industry relevant project, you can visit our website, and for more code recipes like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. uh, if you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the URL for the code of this video is available in the description below. Thank you.